Some of the major mistakes that small businesses, when they create a Google Ads account, so the first one, the major one, would be using a Google Ads Express account, which is basically my first Google Ads account, and it's so basic that it's not even funny. The second would be taking Google's suggestions as gospel. Google is a business that is working for Google, and so therefore most of the time what they're looking to do is get more money out of you, and so we'll advise that you increase your budget. Other mistakes people make is one ad for many keywords, and another is no negative keywords, and another major one is no tracking of your conversions. All of these mistakes, of course, can be avoided completely by getting in contact with myself on 07 3117 2300.